Hello, do you want a meal to fix in 5 minutes or 3 minutes? Just watch this video till the end. You will require only 3 ingredients, and here we're using onions, carrots that are chopped in strips, and our noodles that we already boiled and added salt, but I didn't use these sachets that are usually inside the noodles because I don't like the taste of them. Now on the sufuria, I'm going to add some oil, and I was there debating whether the oil is enough, and I decided no, this is not enough. I added some more because it's just for sauteing the onions. Now I'm going in with my onions. The idea here is to saute the onions and the carrots separately, so just stay along and watch this video till the end so that you understand every single little bit, because it's the delicious meal to cook when you're really hungry and you don't just want to boil the noodles and eat like that. Don't forget about your onions, so you should keep on checking on them because you don't want them to burn and you don't want to fully cook them, like make them golden brown. You just want to saute them. Look at that. When you're looking at that, it's not yet cooked. It's not where you want it to be, but basically what you're looking for here is for the onions to generate the fragrance. Once the onions have had the fragrance, it's good to go. Like, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. You see, now the onions are okay and we can remove them now. The first thing I have to do here is turn off the gas because I don't want the onions to continue cooking, and remove them as fast as I can because the oil is still hot, so they are continuing cooking, like they can burn. So I'm going to remove them so fast. Look at that, so sweet. And put them in the noodles because that's where I will be mixing them from. In the same sufuria, I'm going to add the carrots as well. The same oil that I used for the onions is the same oil I'm going to be using, so it's a save, you know. So the reason I can't do them together is because the onions are really lighter than the carrots, so one may tend to cook than the other. So you can as well do them both though you want it, but I don't like doing that because I just want to cook everything to perfection and have the meal the way I want it, you know. Again, don't forget about the carrots as well. Keep on checking on them because you don't want them to burn. So we'll be there stirring them up to ensure that they do not burn and they are in good condition and they are still cooking. We don't want them to overcook. I almost forgot about my carrots, but here we are. They are still looking good, and yeah. Somebody may ask, how do I know that my carrots are cooked? Now, they will bend like that off the spoon when you lift them. They won't be straight again, they will be like that. Now look at that oil. Again, the carrots usually change the oil's color. That's normal, so just continue cooking. So checking on them again, I find they are okay and they are ready to be removed out of the oil. Now I begin by turning off the fire and started to remove them very fast because the oil is still hot and it can continue cooking, hence burning them, and that's what we don't want, right? Now look at that oil from the carrots, and my meal is almost ready. What is remaining is for me to mix that up and it's ready. Look at that. This was the most delicious noodles I've eaten. If I say, I'm not even joking. They are so sweet, so fast and easy to make. Kindly try this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share, comment, tell your friends to tell their friends that there is this recipe here on this YouTube channel. Bye.